kange nene mono mune ya gusi youth for youth movement kochaka kiombekyo is to actually handle that particular problem because siasa ya ito ya Kenya iwe segusiye ere yemo yabo nekenenga kweli yabeire money oriented na hinde bono mu twatebanga united we stand, divided we fall. So kikaika kaya tukarenga ki mbare bake baria kero kende Nyasaye igore ire chinchera twasoka sokire kuchiaria tuanyalire korosi bipesa bikeigo yes na bora amento raro si chisa ine na pesa njia nyago isana lakini mbare tuanyari kero Nyasaye sosese nirigo se tuanyalire konyore kiwango gete nonde na rororo lakini ntobuata others who have a chance yoko gamba lakini tabu atikende pi that is where we come in to thangana ki etogo chapake ward yao as a team ya GYM togo support kitoramo twari resources twabekirania kero twabekirania rate marete siringi ya ibere nyagitare te ibere na ndare te ibere na boko nyora chiama siriko bamunango ichora chiregeka igekawa tokore pulling and again muna nagotebia we have got some people who are taking this positively na some bataigo getake positively yes baraba nene rutonda baroke quote and quote abanyabesa there are some who have taken it positively and are actually willing go chip in go support ya abantu abasa lakini na kongu sana onyore ko bamuna yaro ni go support wase word yao kero kende konye tori ase kiombe you have to be where others are for you to get help.
Then you move together.
Yes. So that is one thing we are handling and we are doing it already to move to across the wards Chiakis na Nyamira ko support abana youth baito bali bakorigi ebirogo and I am making an appeal to any young person out there otaete kuri yekerogo kia bwana siasa tigakobo nga tobwati chibesa naona bakero kende bachagete mbabwate na barabuo
na ne tobwatsa some examples kia bali ba
bantu
barabisi batabwate besa
it's been gradual and again kere tu okobika namo we are also trying to do this civic education gochia za abantu baito ko bateinga na ki rigereria ababanya besa muajore thank you bakolire na mwatoso mirie bono ntune gasi totete mutora akora gasi mbono tore mutari gwanja moto emeremo tubakorere because it's the best way we can give back to society mwatoso miri twakorire bono twaikira mutari go to emeremo so that we also give it back to society so we are also trying to talk to our people and some are listening some not yet but